Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we are doing another review from Potty Pack, and this one is called, as you can see, their shit kit. Now, it is good for one single use. Then on the back, it actually tells you what you have. 2-ply toilet paper, which is actually 4 feet, hand sanitizer, a litter bag, wet wipe, and a hand wipe. So, we've all been there to where maybe you're camping or you could be driving or whatever. Might need to do this. I have some friends who do locating and stuff. Sometimes they're in the field and nature calls and they can't get back to their hotel. So I told my one buddy about this and he was like, you need to give me one of them. So Potty Pack was very generous to give me 5 of them. So yes, I actually am going to give him one of these and another product too that you'll be doing down the road. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this at the bottom because we're going to reuse the bag. We're just going to use our food saver. So here's your Tush Wipes. Then here, and this is, so here's your toilet paper, which is nice. It's in a plastic to keep it, sanitized in a way. So then we have here's your wet wipe. Here's your hand sanitizer. And here's your little trash bag that you have for it. Very small, compact, which is one thing that I've noticed with Potty Pack. If you haven't seen my first aid kit video, that will be linked down below. And if you want to know what other stuff they sent me, that video will be there. So all the links will be down in the description. So go check that out. And definitely go support this company out because it's veteran owned. Every series you see, it's made in the USA. I like how small this is. And if you are a camper, if you are traveling, depending on what you're doing, this is definitely one of those things you want to have because, man, when nature calls and you got to go, you got to go. So the price point of this one is $3, which for everything that you get, I don't think that's a bad deal. Even my wife, when we looked at the pricing of it for $3, even the first aid kit in the previous video was $3. So a lot of their stuff is very affordable, and the great thing is they're keeping all their stuff small, which is good for traveling. So if you are camping or if you're on a trail, all their stuff is really great. And that's the one thing is they're thinking about small and they're thinking light. So because if you are a hiker, ounces count. So like I said, for this being the shit kit, what you have, it's a great thing to have. And for me, do you go camping and stuff, and I don't go hiking on trails, but I'll tell you this, if I was going to go hiking on trails, I would definitely want my little shit kit with me. So but that's going to be a very quick, easy video just to kind of show you what this product is and what you're getting with it, and for the price of $3, which I don't think it's that bad. So also too, I said this before in a previous video, these are great kind of stocking stuffers. And the funny thing is this would be a great stocking stuffer as a gag gift in a way. If you put that in their stocking stuffer and they're opening this up on Christmas Day and they see shit kit, it's kind of funny. So just my 2 cents. Write down in the comments section below if you guys have bought this product or any of the other stuff from Potty Pack. We'd love to hear about it. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.